After a long wait, our favorite Swedish retail brand IKEA has opened its store in Oman on 19 June 2022. The two-level store spans over 25,000 square meters and is located in the heart of the city in Lulu's Group Oman Avenue Mall, Muscat. This store brings customer affordability and comfortable shopping experience for all age groups. It features inspirational room setups and creative solutions for visitors with over 7,000 articles across living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and with other home furnishing accessories. IKEA restaurant comprises approximately 400 seating capacities directly connected to shopping center for easy access and convenience. Customers can also shop from the Swedish food market for their favorite fresh pastries, cookies, chocolates and more at IKEA Bistro. It has a wide variety in food and beverages such as IKEA's popular plant-based meatballs, ASC certified salmon and UTZ certified coffee. Here, the prices starts at 200 paisa for home accessories, the furniture from 2.5 Real and above. In our opinion, their home accessories and essentials are really affordable. IKEA has also expanded its digital footprint, allowing customers to view the entire product range online from the comfort of their homes. It has also offered a wide range of services such as assembly and delivery, click and collect, measurement facilities and kitchen services at very reasonable prices. On the weekdays, the store is open from 10 am to 11 pm and on the weekends from 10 am to 12 pm. I had a great day shopping at IKEA. It was an amazing experience. Here the products were well organized and easy to find unlike the other stores. In this store, every product is displayed which allows you to touch and feel, which indeed helps us to choose the right product as per our needs. Another good thing about this store is that you don't have to wait for the sales co-worker for assistance, as all the required dimensions and information are present on the product tags.